What's up, everybody? What's going on? How are you all doing today? What a day in the markets. My goodness, crypto and the equity markets. Insane day. Welcome to the True Trading Group live stream, folks. My name is Michael Edward, former award-winning hedge fund trader, now the current head trader at True Trading Group. For those that don't know, True Trading Group, or we like to call it TTG. It's the fastest growing, highest rated premium online trading educational platform and community where we all share the same goal, and that's to learn, trade, and profit together. Plus, we're 5-star rated on Trustpilot with over 1,100 reviews. I welcome you all to go and read some of those reviews on Trustpilot. There's no better referral than that of your peers. Guys, True Trading Group is a platform. It's not just a chat room. It's an entire platform that offers premium trading tools and resources from companies like Benzinga, TradingView, and Quote Media, just to name a few. TTG can literally help you guys change your life for the better by learning this skill. But most importantly, TTG is a family, and we leave no trader behind in this family. 6 nights a week, Sunday through Friday, we go live totally for free on this YouTube channel where myself, other pro TTG traders, and special guests drop golden nuggets and free lessons in education that are going to help you to become a better and more profitable trader. If you guys are ready to learn, trade, and profit for real, you've come to not only the right place, but you've come to the place. Take a moment right now, smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, and make sure to share this stream on your own social media. Let's educate as many traders as we can. Now, you might be wondering, like, why should I be listening to what this guy is saying? I'm glad that you asked. I didn't figure this stuff out on my own, folks. I was taught. I began my career working for a hedge fund in New York City in 2007. And then you had the Great Recession, the big stock market crash in 2008. And in 2008, I actually received one of the firm's Trader of the Year awards. But before they ever let me touch $1 of their money, before I was ever able to place a single live trade, I first had to go through an intensive training curriculum, had access to some of the best top trading tools, and was part of a community of like-minded traders that was able to help me become the trader that I am here now today. Like I said, I didn't figure any of this stuff out on my own. I was taught by other professional traders. At True Trading Group, we have since taken that curriculum, we've simplified it and expanded on it, and then paired it with today's top premium trading tools from companies, like I said, Benzinga, TradingView, and Quote Media. And we made it all available to TTG members for just one price for the entire year with zero upsells whatsoever. Think of us as like the Netflix of trading communities. We're going to start this live stream off, guys. Oh, I'm sorry. Before I even get into that, we also are going to be launching our very first crypto course. Is going to be going online here this week as well. And our first set of crypto tools, all powered by coinmarketcap.com. Using coinmarketcap.com's data feed and their API, we're going to be releasing a plethora of tools for crypto trading, including real-time charts, crypto scanners, screeners, and so much more. Not to mention, we're going to also be revealing our very first crypto trading moderator this month in True Trading Group as well. Folks, we're taking the same principles, risk management, overall trading philosophy, style, and psychology that has helped thousands of TTG members become successful, and we're applying it to the crypto markets now. So rest assured, you're going to be getting the same type of quality TTG education with everything that we do regarding the crypto market. So it's a very, very exciting time to be part of the TTG family, and I'm glad to have you guys on board. Listen, seriously, this live stream, as well as all of my live streams, can and most likely will help make you a better trader. So hang out for a bit, get comfortable, take some notes, all right, get ready to learn, trade, and profit together. We're starting this live stream off with a 15-minute Q&A session. Just going to allow some time for people to log on. Then we're going to be discussing today's recap, which includes the crypto crash, okay, what happened in the stock markets. You had Fed minutes come out today, and then I've prepared a special presentation for you that you can all download, okay, so you can follow along with that part of the live stream once we get there, okay? Then we're going to be discussing the importance of hitting singles in between home run trades. Every trade you make can't be a home run, guys. Don't try for it to be. You got to learn how to hit singles and doubles. And then we're going to talk about a lesson on reading candlestick action, coupled with a little bit of risk management in there as well. So we've got a lot to talk about here today, a lot to uncover, a lot to break down. I'm excited to get into it. Hope you guys are too. What I want you to start doing right now, begin typing your questions in chat right now. Do not be shy. You literally have a pro trader sitting here telling you, ask me anything. So let's go. Without any further ado, let's begin that Q&A. Hey, Mike, does Tesla have a major support at 539? And do you think it's more likely to rebound off the support than to break it? Good question. And for that question, let's take it to the charts. Let's take it to the charts. Give me 1 second. Let's talk about Tesla. Okay. So the support level that you're referring to on Tesla lies right here. Okay. Here's the support level you're referring to on Tesla. And to answer your question, yes, this is a key support level. Okay. This is a key support level on Tesla. If this level breaks, your next support level is 500. If 500 breaks, your next support level is like 460. Okay. These are your support levels on Tesla. I think Tesla bounces off this level. Yes. I think tomorrow the overall markets bounce after the action that I saw today. I think tomorrow is a nice green day. So I actually do think that Tesla bounces back off of this level, but I would just temper those expectations on that bounce. Okay, I would temper expectations on that bounce because we have been unable to get back above this 200-day moving average. This 200-day moving average is acting as resistance for the stock for the last couple of days, and the bounce back today was a weak one. Okay, this was a very weak trading action here for Tesla today. Not as strong of a bounce back as you saw in some other tech names. The NASDAQ actually went green at some point today. So, you know, what you're looking at here is a very weak bounce off of this support level. Okay, it's a very weak bounce off that support level. So I'm not, you know, I think maybe Tesla bounces tomorrow, but more because I think the overall markets might bounce tomorrow. So because of that, I think maybe you're going to bounce off this level, but I'm not gung-ho about this range here on Tesla. I think you could see Tesla get down to 500. Do you think AMC is still in play for squeeze? Yes, absolutely. Yes, Donnie, absolutely. So the overall markets were very weak today. That took everything down with it in the morning. I'll actually pull it up for you guys because we held that support level. You guys remember my live stream yesterday? I talked about the support level on AMC. And I said that, you know, I literally said on my live stream last night that I think AMC needs to pull back. Okay. I said, I think it needs to pull back before making a squeeze. Okay. I said, I think it needs to pull back first before making a squeeze. This is a large gap down today. Okay. We got below one level of support, which was 1250. Okay. So let me go back and draw this out for you. So here was one level of support was 1250. Okay. This is your first level of support. Okay. We broke below your first level of support, which was 1250. That level's been broken. But we went right down and we tested and we held perfectly this previous pivot high. Okay. This previous pivot high, this area of resistance right here was $12. Okay. And look at where we held. Okay, look at where we held. All right, so that's why, yes, this setup today, okay, this pullback, I think you needed this pullback in order to get that squeeze. Much, much, much lighter volume. Look at the volume today compared to the volume the last 4 days. Very light volume on the gap down today. So if you start to see AMC climb its way back up to $13.50, $14, this thing squeezes. If we get back to $14, I think this thing squeezes. I think we needed this pullback. I like that $12 held. If you want to be long AMC in anticipation of the squeeze, I think having a stop loss below $12 works perfectly. Off top, Mike's watch is tight. Thank you. I love my watches. Thank you, Tanya. Yeah, I'm a watch guy. I like watches. When you buy an option, can you sell it? Yes, absolutely. You can sell it at any time. You can buy an option. You can sell it 1 second after you bought it. Or you can buy an option. You can sell it right up to 1 second before the close on the day of your expiration and any time in between. You can sell it whenever you want, as long as you sell it before the market close on the day of your expiration. Do you think the overall market is about to rebound, or do you think it'll drop below support and move lower? I think we rebound. The action I saw today, I think the markets actually go higher tomorrow. I think we go higher tomorrow. We see the laptop. Nice. Minal Sheth. Awesome. Awesome. Enjoy that laptop. Enjoy it. Hope you enjoy it. Whew. Okay, so what exactly are options? So I'm going to give you guys kind of the 30,000 square foot view of what options are. An option contract gives you the right to buy or sell a stock at a certain price on a certain day. So every option contract, a call option gives you the right to buy shares at a certain price on a certain date. A put option gives you the right to sell shares on a certain date at a certain price. So if you think a stock's going to go up, you'd buy a call option. You think a stock's going to go down, you'd buy a put option. So every option contract has a strike price and an expiration date. Okay, the strike price is the price you have the right to buy shares at. The expiration date is the date on which you have the right to buy shares at that strike price. The concept behind an option contract is the closer or further above the strike price the stock actually gets, the more that contract is going to be worth. Example, let's say a stock is trading at $100. You think the stock is going to go to 105. You buy a $102 strike call option. Well, when you do that and the stock's trading at 100 and then the stock goes to 101, your contract is going to be more valuable because there's a greater chance that your stock reaches or goes above 102 by the time your contract expires. So let's say your contract expires on May 28th. Okay, so May 28th. Let's say you buy a $102 strike, May 28th expiration call option. Okay. You're basically you have the right to buy shares at $102 on May 28th. So as the stock approaches 102, your option is going to be more valuable. Then it gets to 102, then the stock goes to 103, stock goes to 104, stock goes to 105. Now, even though the stock is at 105, the option contract you own gives you the right to buy shares at 102, even though it's at 105. And then let's say the stock goes to 106, 107, you still have the right to buy shares at 102. So as the price of the stock goes higher, the value of your contract increases. Okay, that's what an option contract actually is. Guys, I encourage everyone that is interested in trading options to go through the option courses that are available within the TTG curriculum. They are amazing. Okay, you have over 30 years of options trading experience. Okay, amongst it's actually more than that. It's actually more than that. Yeah, it's actually more than that. Between myself, you have Chris Toner, who is an options trader and he's a moderator inside of True Trading Group. He's been trading options himself for about 20 years. Then you've got Moman, you've got the Wolf, you've got myself, who all trade options. And the options courses on our website actually start you off with like an intro to options, like beginners, which is where like if you've never traded an option before in your life, you got to start there, because options are a fantastic way for you to grow a small account, but they also do carry more risk. So it's important for you to understand proper position sizing, proper risk management, understand which option contract you want to buy, like what strike price and what expiration date. Okay, these are going to all affect the volatility of the stock that you're trading. It's very, very important, guys. I've taken other option courses and it finally clicked and clicked fast and almost instantly with TTG courses. Awesome. Yeah, I've actually been told that by a lot of different people about the quality of the education, the quality of the courses. You want to make a small account grow, you need to join TTG. Get the education and practice, though, because you could blow it up just as easy. Yeah, Jason Walkerbach, excellent piece of advice, man. Excellent piece of advice, especially when you guys are thinking about trading options. You got to make sure you guys get the education first because you could easily blow your account up trading options. I just joined last week. Love the support from the group. Yes, Rico, what's up, man? Welcome to the family. Welcome to the family. Rico, just joined the group last week. I love it, man. What's considered a small account? Listen, the technical definition, Josh, is anything that's under PDT rules, so less than 25K. But honestly, if you've got an account with like 10, 15 grand in it, that's a nice size account. You don't need like this 30, 50, 100 grand account. You don't. A small account, realistically, I'd say, you know, anything under 5,000 bucks, I'd say is a small account. Don't be shy, guys. Ask those questions. We'll take a couple more questions before we move on and get things started. Yeah, what's considered a small account? I mean, you know, you can start with even less than $1,000. You know, you can start with just a couple $100. You don't need a lot of money to get started. It's a really big common misconception. A lot of my traders, a lot of TTG's members actually started with small accounts. I'll actually do a quick little survey. My TTG fam, those of you that are on the live stream right now, how many of you, when you started True Trading Group, started with less than $1,000 in your account? And if you don't mind commenting, how much you actually started with? Canuck started with less than 1,000. Valkill 500. David Whitehurst 900. Dominic 500. Canyon Ridge 500. Cody Lee starting with 300. Jason Panien 350. Maestro Cam started with 2,500. Stacy Rowe 500. Das Snail 1,000. Jimmy Benson 500. Rav Nil $200. Canuck 800. Driver Pleasant 800. Derek Davidson 1,000. Zun less than 2K. Texas Trader 2K. LJ Green 500. Bruce Sears 500. Lewis 1,000. Sam 500. Rockball 200. You guys get the point. So, you know, you can see, like I'm saying, you don't need a large amount of money to get things started. You're going to, a couple $100 is all you need to really get started, especially if you're going to be learning how to trade options. I encourage you guys all to learn how to trade options, but just make sure before you start trading them, make sure you learn first. Go through the courses. Okay, huge part there. Andrew Berman, is there a free trial I could get into before jumping in fully? Yeah, we do, Andrew. Andrew, we've actually got a 1-week trial, bud. And anybody else that's interested in getting a feel for what True Trading Group is all about and what it's like being part of the family, we do have a 1-week trial. It's only $3. Okay, it's $3. That's it. Just because we want to make sure you guys are real. It's no auto renew. There's no reoccurring payment. There's no automatic anything. It's just a one-time payment of $3. That's it. You get 3 sample courses that also come with your trial, and you will also get access to our Benzinga newsfeed, our trade ideas scanner, our analyst ratings, and our stock profile section, as well as be able to come into chat with us for a week and trade live alongside me and the rest of the TTG fam. So like I said, it's only $3. Go to ttgthree.com. Okay, for those that are interested in that trial. Again, that's ttgthree.com for that 1-week trial. After that 1-week trial is up, it just expires. That's it. And you're never charged again. Okay, there's no automatic renewal or automatic upgrade or anything like that. All right, it's only $3. Less than a cup of coffee, literally. All right, guys, I'll take like 2 more questions, then we're gonna roll into the day here. Do you think AT&T will bounce after their sell-off? Ah, man, I gotta tell you, bro, I don't really like this. I don't like this. I don't like what AT&T did. I don't. The thing with AT&T here, now I've been telling people for a while. For a while, people have been talking to me or asking me about AT&T, and I've always liked Verizon better than AT&T as far as a stock. Now, listen, like I have AT&T on my phone, but I like Verizon much better as a stock. AT&T had paid a better dividend than Verizon, a slightly better dividend than Verizon. But the stock has far underperformed Verizon, and the company is reducing their dividend. Why own it now? Why own it? They cut their dividend. Why own it? I'd much rather own a stock like Verizon. They pay a good dividend. They've got exposure to 5G. I'd rather own Verizon than AT&T. I do think that the stock will eventually recover. There's a ton of support in the high 20s. Like once you get down to like 27, 28, ton of support down there. I do think the stock, bounces around for a little while, but I think this stock trades literally between 28 and 31 for the next couple months. And if you're not getting the dividend that it used to offer, I just don't see a point in owning it. I'm down 40% on an option of Disney with a June 25th expiration. Should I be worried? I'm not worried. Should I be worried? I'm not worried. Listen, I'll tell you this. Don't make the mistake of holding on to an option just because you have time. I don't like this idea. I don't like the idea of holding an option just because you have time. I think that if you think Disney is going to go up and you got a certain support level that if Disney breaks below, you've got to get out. Okay? I don't care if your option expires in December. If the support level breaks and the stock is going down and the reason why you entered the trade is no longer there, you got to get out of the trade. Don't just stay in the trade because you're like, oh, well, you know what? I have till December. Because yeah, time is on your side now, but as time goes on, it becomes your worst enemy. Time is your friend in the beginning, and it very quickly turns into your worst enemy. Because as you get closer to your expiration, time decay accelerates, and you will get to a point where you're going to lose so much value in the time decay of your option contract that when the stock, if and when the stock actually does go up, you're only going to be making back what you lost in time decay to where you're still going to be down on the trade anyway, or maybe break even. So the risk reward now on your position no longer makes sense. I don't like, listen, there are other traders out there who they'll hold on to an option if they have more time. I don't think that's a good idea. I think as long as listen, if the pattern is still intact and it expires in June, then great, hold on to it if the pattern's intact. But if the support level gets broken, okay, if the support level gets broken, I think you've got to exit that trade. And I just, something else I want to just touch upon real quick, guys, is I know right now, and I've talked to a lot of my TTG members about this. I know right now a lot of people are going back to work. All right. I know there were a lot of people over the last year that maybe had a lot of time on their hands. They were working from home, or even worse, maybe they got laid off from work. And I know there's a lot of people now that are starting to go back to work. They're going back to the office, and they feel like they don't have as much time to put towards trading as they did over the last 12 months or so. Okay. It's important for you to understand that True Trading Group is a 1-year program. Your membership lasts for an entire year. Okay. All the courses are go at your own pace. Okay. You have access to the courses 24/7. You can access them whenever you want. Okay. And we have 8 different trading moderators, with a lot of them focusing on swing trading. There's swing trades called out in chat every single day inside of True Trading Group. Okay. So for those of you that might be saying, okay, I'm going back to work, I don't have as much time to day trade or anything like that, guys, don't worry about it. Don't sweat it. We have many, not many, the overwhelming majority of our members work a full-time job. Okay. So for those of you guys, I saw some people that were commenting like, oh, I'm going back to work, I don't know if I have time for this. Watch this. My TTG fam, how many of you work a full-time job and are making money with True Trading Group? Sound off in chat. And if you don't mind, comment what your profession is, if you don't mind. Okay. So if you're a member of True Trading Group and you're making money while working a full-time job, sound off in chat and tell me what's your profession. Anyone that feels like you might not have enough time to do this, it's very important you understand that True Trading Group we do day trading, we do swing trading, we do long-term investing, we do options, we do shorting. There's so many different types of trading styles and strategies. Even if you work a full-time job, guys, do not worry about it. You guys can benefit from this. Daniel Goley works at a restaurant, Eagles in auto tech. David Whitehurst is a software professional, a janitor from Chris. Nick G is a superintendent. Okay, you got disability learning for Rockball, a carpenter for Ralph Neal, Julio Mata, what's up, man? What's up? Yes, you are in sales. Yes, you are. You've got an airport electrical supervisor. You got data analytics. Brittany Jones, a marine biologist. That's awesome. I'm at work right now. Janitorial, Val Kill, Gunner, sales. Supply chain analyst for Stacy. Michaela's a full-time mom and has a part-time job and still finds time to day trade. Lewis is a real estate developer. Casinos, a credit analyst. Oh, wow, that's really cool. Tona trains horses. That's badass. I love horses. I really love horses. They're such amazing animals. All right. Sky Junkie is a senior leader with a global company. Data center infrastructure engineer for Jason. I'm not even sure what that means, but that just sounds really crazy. You got Tanya's a nurse practitioner. Jimmy Benson is a U.S. Marine overseas. Jimmy, my brother, I appreciate you, man. Thank you for your service. Thank you for the sacrifice you and your family make each and every single day. Okay, so you guys are seeing right now, okay, all of our TTG members, you can see all the comments coming through here. I don't need to read them all to you. You guys can see all these people that are working full-time jobs. They're still making money with True Trading Group. And now with the new crypto course and the crypto platform that we're adding to TTG, you guys can trade at night. You can trade on the weekend. And we're going to have crypto mods that are going to be calling out trades at all hours of the day and all days of the week. Guys, don't think that you're like, oh man, I work a full-time job, I can't do this. Believe me. I mean, honestly, just the education that you'll get with understanding how to build your long-term portfolio is invaluable. But then be able to actually to generate income by actively day trading and or swing trading. And then also now with the new crypto platform that's being added, you guys can benefit, man. You guys can really benefit, just like all these teaching members you see commenting that work full-time jobs. All right. So we have it, folks. All right, I think that just about wraps up the Q&A. Guys, really great job. You guys asked some great questions. Thank you for participating in that Q&A. Very helpful, I think, for a lot of people. There were a lot of questions, though, that did make me feel like we might have a lot of new people that are on the live stream, or maybe that you're not a TTG member. So let's see. Type the number 1 in chat right now if this is your first live stream or you're not a True Trading Group member. Go ahead and type the number 1 in chat right now. We got Dankin, we got Josh Mongram, we got Thomas Colton, we got Tom Pop, we got Tycoon, Nas A, we got Richard Denunzio, we got Peter Pan, we got Frank Scotch, we got Murtaza Amiri, Oh, Donnie, it's my pleasure, man. Donnie says, thank you, Mike, for taking the time to do these live streams. It's my pleasure, bro. It's my pleasure. We got George Michael. We got Kojo Adabo. It's his first time. What's up, Kojo? Malik. Michael Petit. Yeah, Chef Daddy, it's my first stream today. Chef Daddy, this is probably like your 800th live stream. Maybe more. RV Thomas, we got Blind Chris Outdoors. Beautiful. Welcome, guys. Seriously, guys, welcome. Everyone that's brand new here, welcome, guys. Welcome to the TTG live stream. Guys, for those that don't know, True Trading, we just went live to the public in the beginning of 2017. And we've been building this platform up ever since. It really is a platform. I want you guys to really understand that. We work 12 to 15 hours a day minimum on our TTG members and everything. And our annual membership is usually $2,212. But from now till midnight, you can get it 36% discount, which brings the price all the way down to just $1,402 when you use coupon code TTG121. That's for the entire year. There's no upsells ever. You get access to everything we have. This is a platform. Allow me to explain. You will get access to our entire curriculum. There's no special VIP courses that cost more money. Okay. You get the entire curriculum. It's a 15-course curriculum, beginner and foundation courses, advanced courses, option courses, trader psychology, swing trading courses, how to trade during a market crash, you name it, we've got it in text and video format, whichever is easy for you guys to learn. You also get access to our Benzinga Pro real-time news feed right inside of our chat room. Quote Media's real-time level 1, full book level 2, real-time options data. That comes with a trade simulator that lets you trade stocks and options with fake money while you practice implementing what you learn in the courses. You get TradingView's Pro Plus charting software. It's one of the most commonly used charting softwares by traders today. You get it free, included with your membership. You get access to our chat room, which is unlike anything you've ever seen. It's a proprietary software. It's not Discord or Telegram or WhatsApp or anything like that. And me and the moderators, we share our screen with you during the day. You see what we see. We're live on the microphone, talking to you, calling out our trades in advance, walking you through our trades, telling you where we're buying, telling you where we're selling, telling you where our stop loss is. And we're sporting right now as a group about an 83% win rate between me and the rest of the moderators that are calling out trades. I'm really proud of that and the trading performance that our moderators have been doing lately. But we're also in chat with you for the entire day. We're not just gone after 2 hours and leave you to fend for yourselves. We're in there with you in the trenches, answering questions. You can send us private messages, calling out opportunities. We're with you guys for the entire day. You know, we don't charge you extra to get access to the moderators and to talk to us. We do live workshops every week. We do one-on-one mentor sessions. We do small private study groups. We're going to be launching our new crypto course and revealing our new crypto mod this month. We got a small account challenge that starts in June where there's $100,000 in real cash prizes for the top performers. We also do a bunch of giveaways. We have a lot of fun with our members. We give away hundreds of thousands of dollars in cash and prizes for our members. Every time we get 300 new members, we give away a Tesla or $30,000 cash. All you got to do is be a member. That's it. Just be a member and you guys can register for that giveaway for a chance to win 30 grand. And I think we've got about, what do we got at, like 10 or 12? Oh, we're doing a stimmy tonight too, by the way. We're doing a stimmy tonight. For those that don't know what the hell that is, when Adam's in a good mood, he just gives away money to people. So you're gonna be looking at, hold on one second. He's going to be giving away $100 to 5 lucky TTG members. Okay, he's going to be giving away $100 to 5 lucky TTG members immediately following this live stream, just for the hell of it. Why not? Because we like to have fun with our members. And we've got 12 laptops for tonight, folks. We've got 12 laptops for tonight. So the next 12 people that sign up for a TTG membership will be receiving a free laptop. This is going to be either a brand new Asus, HP, Lenovo, Dell, or Chromebook. I think we've got Lenovo's. Adam, do we have Lenovo's or yes? Yes. Okay, it's Lenovo's. and Asus. Okay, so we have a combination. We've got some Asus and we've got some Lenovo's. Okay, we've got 12 of them. These are not going to last. They'll probably be gone by midnight. So the next 12 people that use coupon code TTG121, not only will you get a 36% discount on your membership, you're also going to get a brand new free laptop. We even cover the shipping, and yes, we do ship globally. All right. You're probably wondering, like, why do we offer so much for so little? Like, why do we include all of this in your membership? And, to be honest with you, the reason why is I'll show you for this. I want everyone right now to type the letter I in chat if you've been part of another group where you were promised the world only to feel like you were just another $1,000 upsell away from reaching your goals. Type the letter I in chat right now if that's happened to you. Nice. Jency got her Asus laptop today. Enjoy, Jency. Enjoy. Look at all these letter I's. Look at all these letter I's. Oh, my God. What a shame. I'm so sorry, guys, that all of you that this has happened to you. I really am, because it's not right. It's not right. These people just take advantage of your desire to learn something without actually giving you any education or value whatsoever, but just taking your money, taking as much of your money as you're willing to give. And it's just not right. It shouldn't be this way. It shouldn't be this difficult for you to get an actual education. And that's why we want to disrupt this entire industry. Guys, for those of you that are signing up, you got to use coupon code TTG121. You have to actually enter the code. Adam, can you show them real quick, actually? Can you just show them where to enter that coupon code? You guys have to enter the code TTG121 and click apply code. Otherwise, you're not going to get that 36% discount. There you go. Thank you. So there you have it, folks. That's where you enter the coupon code TTG121 to lock in that 36% discount. Otherwise, you guys can be paying like $2,000. Don't do that. Okay. You're on the live stream. Use the coupon code, get the discount. Okay. And you guys see right above there, the laptop. When the laptop is in your checkout, that's how you know that you've got one of the 12 laptops that we have in stock today. If you go to checkout and that laptop is not in your checkout, that means we've run out of laptops. Okay, so that's how you'll know that you got one. Once you sign up, at the bottom right of our website is a little blue support chat icon. Click on that icon, fill out your information, and we'll ship you the laptop. Okay. We also offer you guys a money back guarantee. I don't know anybody else that does that. I'm so confident in the platform, the education that we provide, that this can work for you, that if you sign up with that coupon code, you go through all our courses, you pass all our quizzes, you attend a private study group. That's it. Do those 3 things. Put in an effort. You show me you put in an effort by doing those 3 things. If you don't make back $1,402, the price of your membership, if you don't make it back at least once through your membership, I'll give you all your money back. I'm dead serious. I'll give you a full refund if you don't make your money back. I'll give you a full refund. That's how much we believe in this platform. I put my money where my mouth is. 80% of our members have gone on to become profitable traders. 80%. If that was not the case, I wouldn't be able to offer you a money back guarantee. And I think for those also, I think Adam's got something he wants to actually tell you guys about real quick. For those that don't know, Adam is my partner and co-founder in True Trading Group. He's got something he wants to share with you guys.
I hate being big on this thing. I'll stay.
Come on. Everyone else loves it. Everybody likes to see you.
No. Also, just in case you guys are wondering, yes, you have to wear a hat in order to be in True Trading Group. So guys, here, in fact, I'll switch it up real quick. Here, hang on. Isn't that good? Yeah.
Great.
All right, so guys, what I want to talk to you about real quick, and then Mike's going to get on to the actual meat and potatoes and, the substance of this stream, right? But look, one of the things about True Trading Group that we wanted to do, since the very beginning, our entire, our entire business. That's I do have small, medium, and large Baby Yoda behind me.
Very nice.
Thank you. One of the things that we wanted to do with True Trading Group is we wanted to make it affordable for everyone. Okay. Now we come on here and we say the price is going up all the time, and it is moving up. You know, we are a fraction of what everyone else charges, and we provide you 100 times the value. But we still understand that even though it's not, you know, the industry average per year, which is like, you know, between $3,200 and $3,400 a year, you know, even though ours is only, you know, $1,400, there's still a lot of people that might as well be $14,000. Okay. Yeah. So one of the things that we wanted to do was to be able to make it so that anyone that wanted to could afford it. Okay. So guys, this is the first time we're going to be doing something like this, and we've been working on it. We've been talking to you know, a group of, you know, our members about it. Guys, tonight we are going to go ahead and launch our very first TTG financing option. Okay. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to share my screen and I'm going to talk to you guys about this just for a minute. And then if my dog would stop running amok under my desk, but I'm going to talk to you guys about it for a second. Hang on. All right, here we go. All right, so here we go. So we're offering let me remove this. We're offering a free, an interest-free 1-year all-inclusive subscription financing for True Trading Group. Okay. The only difference is that it will be $1,500 instead of the $1,402 that you could pay if you do it tonight. So it's a difference of a 32% discount for the financing versus a 36% discount on one-time payment. You will pay $980 tonight, and then in 60 days, automatically you will be charged $520 for a total of $1,500, and then you're set for the year. And then it will renew in 365 days for $1,500, unless you cancel, and you can cancel anytime you want. Okay. You will get one of the laptops. Okay. If you do the financing option, assuming there's any left, I have to check, but you do get any of the sign-up incentives for it, but after you make the last payment. Okay. So, that is what we're doing. We're giving people a chance to say, hey, you know, if you don't have the $1,400 to sign up tonight, but you want to be a part of it and you have 980, you know, as long as you have, you know, the 980 to put down, let's do it. You know, it's the first time we've ever tried something like this. We really want to give people a chance to experience this. And yeah, and as we raise our pricing, the financing pricing will go up as well. So every time we raise the price of the financing goes up. Right. All right. That's how we're going to do it. So that's it, guys. You fill out a little bit of a form, name, email, address, all that. It does not check your credit at all. You get an immediate decision whether or not you're approved for it. And if you are, that's it. You're good to go. All right. This is a great option for anyone that's been on the fence and is like, oh, I'm just, you know, a couple $100 short, or I'm like, you know, whatever it is. This is a great option for you to get started. We want people to be able to experience what others are experiencing, which is a real family atmosphere and success, man. You know, 80% of our members are trading well, are being successful. So that's it. It's something we're going to try. We think it's going to go well, and we hope that you guys are able to utilize it. All right.
Is there a link for it, Adam, that you want to post?
Joe will post it in chat right now.
Awesome. Yeah, guys, I think this is, you know, listen, I got to tell you, like, what I was telling you guys before about, like, how many people have been part of another group, or they get continuously upsold all these different things and, never actually get true value from it, but have gone through and spent a lot of money. It shouldn't be this difficult for people to get an education for something like this. Now, all the things that are included with your platform and with your membership, they cost a lot of money for us to have, like the Benzinga newsfeed, the trade ideas scanner, the simulator, the analyst reports, the full book level 2, the options data, the charting software, all of that stuff. And now we're adding the crypto data, the crypto charts, the crypto screener. Like, all that stuff costs us a lot of money to have on the platform for you guys to use. That's why we have to charge. Okay. That's why our prices are going up right now, because we're adding all of this new crypto data. And these are a lot of costs that we pay to have that service on the platform. But I want everybody that wants to learn this skill and wants to take more responsibility in their finances and get more involved in the stock market and understand what's going on. I want people to have access to it. It shouldn't be this far-reaching thing that people feel like they can't do. It's like, if you want to be able to do this, you want to learn this, then I want you to be able to invest in yourself and learn a skill that you can take with you for the rest of your life, that if you're successful at, can greatly change the course and the direction of the rest of you and your family's lives. And I want everybody to have that option, the ability to do that. And that's why we're coming out with this financing option for those that don't have the $1,400 to make in a one-time payment. If you guys want, you can do this financing option, and still be able to get yourself a real professional education and be part of a family community where everyone truly cares about one another's success. Okay. Understand, you will save more money by doing the one-time payment. Okay. You're going to save more money doing the one-time payment, and you're going to get the laptop right away for free. Okay. But the financing option is there for those that want it. You're going to end up paying more with the financing option. Okay. And you don't get the laptop, but you've got you'll get something when you guys make your final payment. But if you want the laptop right now, and if you want the lower payment, the 36% discount, that's for the one-time payment. Okay. So there you have it, folks. All right. So a new option is out there for anyone that's considering joining the TTG fam. All right. So guys, like I said, listen, I would take advantage of this now, because we're moving our price up to $2,500. We have to, because of all the different things that we're adding to the platform. So right now you can join for $1,402 with the one-time payment, $1,500 with the financing option. I would take advantage of this now, because as our price goes up, obviously the one-time payment and the financing option will all be going up with it. We're going to be over $2,000 before you guys know it. The price is actually going to be going up at midnight. It's going to continue to go up every single day as we move the price of our membership up to $2,000. So I would take advantage of this option that you have available right now to get the 36% discount. Use the coupon code TTG121 right here, right now. All right, and get yourself a free laptop. Welcome, Catherine. Catherine Hankins, welcome to the TTG family, Catherine. Everybody give Catherine a huge, warm TTG welcome. We've got 11 laptops left. Catherine has just claimed the first one. Catherine, welcome to the family. All right. Okay, guys, now let's move on to the next part of our live. Let's get into, we got Antonio Marshall. Antonio Marshall, brother. Welcome to the TTG family. Everybody give Antonio a big warm welcome to the TTG fam. If you're a member of TTG, I want you to welcome Antonio and Catherine right now. We got a new family member, guy. Our family has gotten bigger today. All right, guys, let's go ahead. That also means we only got 10 laptops left. So guys, coupon code TTG121. Get that laptop. We got 10 of them left. All right, let's get into now the recap of the day. Like I said, I made a presentation for you all. You can click on the link in the description below and follow along with everything that we are about to go over. Okay, this presentation is for you because we love you so much. Here we go. Follow me now. Let's do it. What the hell happened today? Markets remain choppy, man. Markets remain choppy. We had a big gap down today, and then we pushed higher late in the day thanks to Fed minutes. We'll talk about that later. The crypto market, my goodness, huge crash in crypto today. That may have added to some of the negative sentiment driving markets lower because of some margin calls. We'll talk about that in a minute as well. Recovery in the afternoon trading with NASDAQ leading the rebound and then eventually closing slightly green. Tech was actually a leading sector intraday, which is something we haven't seen in the last couple of sessions. FOMC minutes brought brief whipsaw action toward the end of the day. Inflation firmly in focus, though the Fed stands behind its stance that it will be transitory. Let's talk about the top stories of the day. FOMC, FOMC, FOMC. I've told you guys for the last couple of days on my live streams that FOMC could potentially move markets. It was a big one for us today. Fed officials called current policy stance guidance appropriate. No indication they're going to change their monetary policy stance, which means rates. They're not going to touch rates for the foreseeable future. They're not even thinking about increasing rates. The minutes showed higher inflation, but once again, they're calling it transitory. They think it's a temporary spike because of a temporary boost in demand, and they think supply will eventually catch up. The bottleneck supply from during COVID, they think will reset itself, will open back up, and then that one big spike in demand as the economies reopen will then eventually settle back down to a normal type of demand, and that's where that transitory inflation comes from. Some Fed officials did highlight some contacts, said that a step up in demand for labor put some upward pressure on wages. We know that already. We've talked about that on live streams. The minutes also show the FOMC believes that standing repo operations could be viewed as useful in forestalling funding strains that could overflow into the overnight markets. They're not moving yet on any of that. The Fed basically came out today and was like, we're not changing anything, guys. Several Fed officials believe risk appetite in markets was elevated. Some officials warned of upside risk to inflation outlook if temporary factors end up being more persistent. That's not anything new there either. Okay, we really didn't get anything new there from the Fed. One thing that the Fed did say today was if the economic recovery continues to improve, okay, rapidly, that it may be appropriate to start talking about possibly tapering their asset purchase program in future meetings. The markets initially didn't like that phrase. They didn't like that phrase initially. The minutes also said that the economy is improving, but they're still very far away from where we want to be. A couple of other comments: labor market tighter than they initially thought. Well, that's because of the unemployment benefits. We've talked about that as well on previous live streams. You guys realize, like, this is why these live streams are so important. You guys get to learn so much information and get a much better understanding of what's going on big picture, as well as getting individual lessons that are going to help you to trade actively, but understanding what's going on in markets. These are all things that I told you a week ago that we were going to see here today, and now here it goes right here in these minutes. Okay, trading of inflation protected securities show faith in the Fed inflation outlook. The Federal Reserve Vice Chair said that typical to see inflation volatility coming out of a shock, expects it to be temporary. Again, just reiterating the transitory nature of the inflation. It's way premature to say whether or not the Fed pursues a digital currency. And the Atlanta Fed said that crypto is not at scale to have financial systemic implications. Also said he doesn't spend much time worrying about asset prices. Okay, remaining data that we got to watch this week. We're reaching the halfway mark, and the big FOMC, minutes is behind us here, but there's still more economic data that can move the markets. Tomorrow, we've got initial jobless claims and continuing jobless claims, and the Philly Fed manufacturing index. Those are three big numbers that could potentially move markets. And if those numbers come out in a positive light, you could see markets continue higher tomorrow. And I think the bounce that you saw initiated today, I think that bounce could continue into tomorrow. But again, it's going to be dependent on what that data is. That data can change sentiment as soon as it hits markets. Then Friday, you got the market manufacturing and market services PMI that I think could have some effect on markets, but existing home sales, I don't think that's going to have much impact at all. Some earnings that are still on deck. You still have some big ones. You got some retail coming out: BJ's, Kohl's, Ralph Lauren, Ross Stores. You still have Foot Locker on Friday, so you still have some retail earnings that are coming out this week. Now we got to talk about crypto, man. I'll touch on small caps real quick. Small caps continue to be very quiet. There's no follow through in small caps. I haven't traded small caps the last couple of days. I made money yesterday in GameStop. I made the bulk of my money today in Target. I'll talk to you guys about that in just a minute. I've got a good lesson on candlestick action and reading candlestick action in my Target trade. Made some money on some SPY options as well. And there was a ride trade in there. It was 3 for 3 today, but no home runs, just a couple singles. And then the Target trade was a nice one, though. I did make some good money on the Target trade, but the others were singles. But let's talk about what happened with crypto. Okay. What happened here with crypto? What I'm actually going to do, here real quick is I'm going to pull up a chart. Where are we? Hold on one second, guys. Let me see. Here we go. I just have to load up my chart, guys, for Bitcoin. I want to go over with you. I want to load this up. Okay. So I've got it. Okay. So I've got my Bitcoin. Okay. So I got my Bitcoin chart up that I want to go over you. Now, if you caught my live stream last night, I hope many of you were on my live stream last night. Last night, I told you that I thought Bitcoin was going to break below 42,000, which was a major support level. And I told you I think Bitcoin drops into the 30s. The other thing that I said to you was that your next major support level is 29 to 30,000. Now, yesterday on my live stream, I did not think that we would drop to 30,000 in one day. Okay, I did not think we were going to do it in one day. I'll talk to you guys in just a minute about why we dropped that far in just one day. But I want to play a quick clip. It's about a 2.5-minute clip. This is the segment that I talked about on my live stream yesterday, where I broke down and I analyzed the Bitcoin chart and I gave you guys my Bitcoin prediction. So Adam, if we've got that, let's go ahead and play that clip, guys. It's a quick 2.5 minutes and then we'll get right back to it. Been following my live streams, okay, for the last several days. I've talked about this $42,000 area on Bitcoin, and this is everything right now. This level is very important technical support for Bitcoin. It's trying desperately to hold it. For the last 3 days, we have been trying to hold 42K. Okay, we are trying to hold 42K. As I go in a little bit closer, you guys can get a more inside look here, okay, on Bitcoin, and notice that these bounces are getting smaller and smaller and smaller. Okay, I don't read any of this price action as bullish. I read this as, you know, sellers are starting to eat through the buyers that are at 42. And there's a lot of buyers at 42. So far, this level has held. 42 has held. Okay, it has held. But if we don't get off this level soon, the longer Bitcoin sits here, the greater the chance you have of 42 breaking. And if 42 breaks, you're looking at a move that takes you back into the 30s. Okay, you're looking, and then your next major support, I'm not saying it gets this low, but your next major support, you're talking like 29K. 30K, 29K would be your next major support. All right, now listen, I don't know if we get all the way down to there, but I think if you break 42, I do think you get back and you see this thing starting to print 38K, 39K, and I think Bitcoin drops below 40. All right, so the longer we sit here, like what I want you to notice is the last time that Bitcoin tested this level, what I want to point out to you is how quickly Bitcoin got off of that level. You see how we tested it for one day and very quickly got off of it? Now we're coming back down here to test it, and we're sitting on this level for 3 days now. For 3 days, we have not been able to bounce off of 42. I read that as a sign of weakness, and I'm very interested to see if Bitcoin breaks. If you told me, Mike, what do you think? Bitcoin goes back to 50, or does Bitcoin go below 40? I think Bitcoin goes below 40. I think this level breaks just based on what I'm seeing these last couple days. Boom. And there you have it, folks. That is from last night's live stream, where we talked about this level on Bitcoin. And this is why it's so important for you all to be on these live streams, to be subscribed to the channel, to have your notifications turned on, because if you were paying attention to this live stream last night and you are a owner of anything crypto related, because they all got crushed, Ethereum, Doge, Litecoin, Bitcoin, SafeMoon, all of them gutted. You guys could have been getting out of Bitcoin yesterday, okay, before dealing with the crash that you saw here today. Now, let me just pull up my chart. I want to share with you guys. All right. I want to share with you the current chart of Bitcoin. And there you have it. Now, we talked about yesterday on the live stream, this support level. Okay. We talked about that support level. That was the support level. I said, if it breaks, that we're going to drop. And what did I say on the live stream? You just heard me say it. I said, where's our next major level of support? I said 29 to 30K. Guys, does anyone see where Bitcoin bottomed today? 30K. Absolutely spot the F on with that analysis on Bitcoin yesterday. Absolutely spot on. Now, this bounce that you are seeing off of this 30,000 level is aggressive as all hell. That is a huge volume, aggressive tail that has been put in at that level. Guys, I'm telling you now, if you've been following my live stream for a while, I have been spot on with Bitcoin. I told you when Bitcoin was in the 60s, I told you that I see a bearish reversal pattern in Bitcoin. Do you guys remember this? How many people were on my live stream? Okay, how many people were on my live stream for this analysis? How many of you remember this? How many of you remember me talking to you guys about that ascending wedge pattern? How many of you remember that? I'm telling you guys this now. No one out there is going to be doing crypto like us. We are going to show you all how to trade these things the right way. I have been on these live streams for the last 2 months telling you what I thought Bitcoin was going to do, and we have been dead right so far every time. Okay? There you have it, folks. Your new support level, 30K. Clear as clear could be. Now you got to see how this thing reacts. You know, I don't think it's that I don't think it's that great that we're starting to kind of fade this a little bit. So as I zoom in with Bitcoin real quick, you see these little lower highs that are being put in here. You got these lower highs, and you've got this little area of support. Okay, as we're trying to hold higher lows off of that pivot low that was put in there at 30K. If this level breaks, okay, if we break beneath this level, okay, that's going to be bearish for Bitcoin, and I would expect us to roll back to at least 34K, possibly get back down and test 30K. Okay. But if Bitcoin is able to break out and make a higher high, let me try to move this, and make a higher high and break up and out of this, that would be bullish. And you look for a move back to 42.43, and then you look for resistance at 42.43, and you look for a new channel to be created between like 37K and 42.43K. And Bitcoin maybe bounces around in that level for the next couple of weeks. Okay. So that's what happened there, guys, with Bitcoin. Okay, that's what's going on there with Bitcoin. What I will say here is that what happened is once we broke that 42, you had a lot of margin calls that got kicked in, and that's why you had that cascading flush all the way to 30. That was a margin call sell-off. You also had a bunch of brokerage platforms, or I should say trading platforms with crypto that froze and actually locked people from trading. So that's why you had that huge cascading flush. And then you had people like Cathie Wood. You had people like, what is his name? Mike Saylor. You had Elon Musk all come out with tweets firing away bullish tweets for Bitcoin throughout this drop. And that caused a real sharp bounce back in Bitcoin. So now it's kind of, that the easy technical analysis move is over. Now it's going to be a lot of sit back and wait, and let's see how this sell-off is digested, and if we can actually stick that higher low and then push back up and retest 42, 43. But now I expect there to be a lot of resistance around 43K now. Okay, expect there to be a lot of resistance around 43K now. Guys, listen up. Anyone that is a TTG member, if you are a TTG member, head on over to the main trading chat room. Adam's got something special for you. If you are a full-time TTG member, head on over to the main trading chat room. Adam's got something special for you. So there's our Bitcoin analysis, guys. There's the Bitcoin recap there on the day. Happy to share that with you guys. And then I will just pull back up that quick presentation that we had. And there's our disclaimer for you. Okay. So like I said, you guys can download this presentation. It's available in the link, the link in the description below. You guys can download that, keep it for your own records. Okay. So there you have it, folks. Okay. And there you have it. All right. So now as I move on, I want to now go with you, and I'm going to share my charts now, as I want to get into a lesson with you on candlestick reading. Okay. I want to get into a lesson now with candlestick reading for you. Okay. Now, target. This is where I made the bulk of my money today. Okay. This is where I made the bulk of my money today. All right. You had a bit of a bull flag pattern here. You had a bit of a bull flag pattern here on target after their earnings. Okay, there's your bull flag pattern with strong earnings. We broke out of that bull flag, and then we got a nice little follow through move that took us higher. And then I was patient the whole day, and then I got a rally right into the close, and I took my best profit off at $219.16 after a 214 entry. But I'll take you guys inside of this setup, and we'll talk about this for just a moment. We're going to talk about candlestick reading. Okay, now, when you're reading candlestick patterns, I think it's very important for you to use multiple time frames. I used specifically for this trade setup the 3-minute and the 5-minute chart. The 5-minute chart, more so than anything, gave me a screaming buy signal when it comes to candlestick reading. Okay, so I'm going to actually switch things to a 4 time frame chart. This is actually how I trade throughout the course of the day, with a 4 time frame chart, so I can show you guys. Actually, I'm going to zoom in so I can show you guys the different time frames and what the candles look like with the different time frames. Okay, so we're focused right now on the top left and the top right. This is a 3-minute chart on the top left. It's a 5-minute chart on the top right. Now, as I'm looking here at the top left, now keep in mind, we have strong earnings coming out of Target. The stock is just beneath all-time highs. Okay, so we've got a good catalyst with strong earnings. And what you will see that I started to see on this 3-minute chart was this little flag pattern that is starting to form. What I will have you notice is when I have a strong bullish tail that gets put in within a pattern that takes you right from a tail right to a high of the day, that is a bullish signal right there in its own. Okay, when you get a strong tail that gets put in that takes you right to highs of the day, where the aggressiveness of the tail being put into the downside takes you right to the high of the day without any stall, consolidation, or pause. That's bullish. What I mean by that is, you see how the second candle was followed up by a high of the day there print, and we didn't just sit here to the side, where this candle that got put in took us right back up towards highs. That's bullish. But what really did it for me was this. Look at the 5-minute chart. Look at the 5-minute chart. Do you see those? These are called hammer tails. Okay, these are called hammer tails. Okay, these are called hammer tails. These are bullish. When I see, especially on a 5-minute chart like that, not one, okay, not, how can I draw this? Not one, but two hammer tails at the exact same price. Guys, that is screaming confirmation that you have aggressive buying in this level right here. You have aggressive buying right there. That 5-minute candle with those two bottoming tails, you can look for this setup. Okay. Two bottoming hammer tails like that on a 5-minute chart at the same price is confirmation that you have aggressive buying at that level. So now I've got that hammer tail. So I've got evidence on a 5-minute chart that I've got aggressive buying at $213. Then I look at the 3-minute chart, and I've got this bull flag set up with my trade line indicator coming up underneath it. And I'm saying to myself, you know what? I've got my 38.2 Fibonacci retracement level. I've got my trade line. I've got a double, like this double hammer tail on a 5-minute chart, and I've got strong earnings. This is a buy signal. This is a buy signal. Okay. I went ahead and bought TGT just over $214. At that same time, I called out an option trade for members that wanted to follow along with that trade in chat. They could have went after the $215 strike, May 21st expiration call option. That option moved extremely fast because you're going to have, it expires on Friday. So the volatility of that option contract is going to be massive. At the time that I entered the stock at 214 and change, those option contracts were around $3.10. They ended up going up as high as, I believe, $5.45, something like that on the day. And I'm still in a small piece of this position, looking to see if I get a little bit more tomorrow. I have sold about 85% of my position is already off the table. I'm just holding on to a small piece of this from 214 and change. And like I said, I took, well, now I can take you guys back to the full screen chart. It's probably easier on your eyes if I take you to a full screen chart. So you guys don't have to kind of some of you are probably squinting on your phone or on a tablet or something. So just to go back and recap, right here was the entry. Okay, right there's the entry. Okay, I had a take profit here. I had a take profit here. I had a take profit here, and I'm still holding a piece of this position. Okay. And there you guys have it. And that's how you guys can use candlestick action to read a buy signal. I'm going to take you guys back to it on the 5-minute chart. I'm going to zoom this in real nice and big so you all can see this. And there you have it. Two hammer tails at the exact same price. And that's a bullish sign. That is a bullish sign. Okay. And then you look for an entry right in here. Your stop loss would be where? Right below that hammer tail, right? Your stop loss would be right below that hammer tail. Then you catch that move to the upside. And then the rest is history. Look at that. Beautiful move. Beautiful move. Okay. Beautiful move. All right, guys. So there's a nice lesson there on candlestick reading. I hope you guys learned from it. right? I hope you guys learned from it. Okay. So what I would like to do now, I hope you guys are taking notes on that, because that candlestick reading like that and understanding like buy signals on candlesticks is a big part of trading. Just don't make the mistake that a lot of inexperienced traders make, which is they just go ahead and they just buy based on candlestick without paying attention to anything else within your setup. Like what I just said to you, right? What did I just say? I had the bull flag on the 3-minute chart. I had my trade line. I had the 38.2 Fibonacci level. I had the double hammer tail on the 5-minute chart, and I had strong earnings. It's all of that comes together for me to make a decision. I'm buying this stock. It's all of that. It's not just the hammer tail on the 5-minute chart. It's not just that. It's not just the bull flag on the 3-minute. It's not just the 38.2 Fibonacci level. It's not just the strong earnings. It's all of that put together. This is what you will learn as a member of True Trading Group. It's understanding how to identify high probability patterns and setups by understanding how to use technical analysis and how different technical indicators work in conjunction with one another to help you identify A setups versus a B or a C quality setup. And you put yourself in those A setups time and time again. Okay. So what I'd like to do right now is I'd like to see how many people are still on the live stream that are not a member of True Trading Group. Okay. I want to know right now what your goals are with trading. What are you trying to accomplish being a trader is what I'd like to know right now. Be a stay-at-home dad. Have green trades. Want to be able to pad my savings. Identify entry positions, residual income at my pace. Don't be shy, guys. Type your goals right in chat. Replace my income, make generational wealth. Buy a yacht with Dave Padilla. There you go, Ralph. Ralph Risco. There you go, brother. My goal is to replace my income with trading. Nice job. Learn to be independent. Do this as a job. I'm 16, trying to build a portfolio. Dylan Ritchie, man. Great job, Dylan. Starting young, brother. Trust me, you're going to be happy you did. When you're 30 years old, you're going to look back on this day and be glad you got started this young. Earn income from anywhere in the world? Hell yeah. Hell yeah. Nice, Ralph. Upgrade my boat. I like it. I like your style. My goals are financial freedom for my family. Nice, Tanya. Really nice. Well, guys, listen. You know, based on some of the goals that you guys are typing away, they're all great. They're all good goals. It's important for you to have good motivational goals, realistic goals that can help you, because, you know, trading is not a get-rich-quick scheme. You know, it requires you to really put in some time, energy, and effort to truly learn this skill. So it's important to have goals that motivate you and goals that are going to drive you to push through the hard times and to, you know, to make it through, because I'm telling you right now, it's a bumpy journey. You know, there's going to be, you know, blood, sweat, and tears along the way, but the destination is worth it all. The destination is worth it all. It's very possible for you guys to, you know, the thing that I love the most about trading, honestly, is that there's truly no limit to your upside. It's like you're the ultimate entrepreneur. It's like no matter no matter how good you are in some other professions, there's a limit to your upside. Like my sister's a high school English teacher. She'd be the best English teacher in the country. She's never going to make $250K a year. Never. You can be a cop. You can be the best cop in the world. You'll never make $500K a year, ever. You know, you can be a construction worker. You can be the best damn heavy machinery operator that there is in the state. You're never going to make $1 million a year. But with trading, there's no limit. It's not easy, but you want to make 10K, 50, 100, 250, 500, $1 million, nothing's stopping you. Nothing's stopping you. You get better, you'll make more money. You keep getting better, you'll keep making more money. You improve as a trader, your P&L will improve. That's one of the beauties about being a trader, honestly. Aside from like being your own boss, you know, trade from anywhere in the world as long as you have internet. You know, these are the things that are possible with trading. This is real talk now. I'm not going to sugarcoat anything. I'm not going to blow smoke up your ass. But it's not easy. It's not going to happen overnight. You're not going to join TTG and overnight you're just going to start making boatloads of money and quit your job. No. Okay. You guys are going to have to learn this skill. It's just like anything else. You're learning a new skill. And that's how I want you guys to all look at it and approach it. You have to be willing to do the work to actually learn. Okay. There's a reason why our slogan is learn, trade, profit, not trade, profit, learn. Okay. So whether markets are up, down, left, right, sideways, doesn't matter, guys. We're making money in this market right now. And more importantly, our members are becoming better traders. And you guys, if you don't believe me, watch. My TTG fam, how many of you are making money and more importantly are a better trader because of True Trading Group? Sound off in chat right now. If you're making money and you're a better trader because of True Trading Group, sound off in chat right now. Here we go. Guys, I encourage you, if you're not a member of True Trading Group, I encourage you to read some of these comments right here. Okay, these are TTG members that are telling you that they're making money and they're becoming better traders because of the education, the platform that they have access to at True Trading Group. There's no difference between these people and you. They found True Trading Group the same way you did, and that's a live stream. Or maybe one of their friends or family or coworkers told them about True Trading Group. It's also important for me to say that, you know, like 80% of our members are doing well, meaning they're making money, they're becoming better traders, but 20% are still struggling. Okay, 20% of our family are still struggling. Just as much as it's important for me to recognize those that are having success, it's equally as important for me to recognize those that are struggling. But in TTG, we leave no trader behind, and that's why we hold monthly red to green workshops. These are live events inside of our chat where members that are struggling submit everything they're struggling with, and we cover it for several hours live. Okay, and then we record the whole thing and we post it up in our video library for the whole community to see at later times. You know, I know it's not possible to have 100% success rate. Okay, 100% of our members are not gonna become profitable traders, but I'm gonna be damned if I'm not gonna try to hit that 100% mark. And guys, I mean, True Trading Group, it's a business. You know, it's a hell of a business, but it's a business that's only as good as our members are doing. We wake up every day to earn, and we got to earn the trust and support of our members. And yes, that means long after they've already paid for their membership. You know, we don't take it lightly, the responsibility and the trust that people put in us and give to us on an everyday basis, you know, and we work to earn that trust and to keep it. You know, these are people's lives we're talking about. We're literally, you know, have the opportunity to potentially change someone's life for the better. And we don't take that lightly at all. You know, we take that stuff very seriously. So what I want to know actually is right now is how many people are still on the live that are not a member of True Trading Group. Go ahead and type the letters TTG in chat right now if you're not a member of True Trading Group. You got Ethan Farber, Abahay Shahar, Josh Mongram, Ralph Risco, Muhammad, Thomas Colton, Blake McBriar, Eco, Casey, RV Thomas. Josh, I hear you, man. Josh says, TTG, I just don't want to impulse buy. My TTG fam. My TTG fam. You guys think Josh should join the group? My TTG fam. You guys think Josh should join the group? What do you think? You guys say something to Josh. Josh, I'm sorry, brother. I'm putting you on the spot, man. I'm putting you on the spot. But now you shouldn't listen. We do have the 7-day trial, like I said. Okay, it's a 1-week trial. If you guys want to go to ttgthree.com, you can join us for that 1-week trial. You can join us for that 1-week trial. Josh, look at all the members, man. Josh, look at all the members. Listen, man, what is the wristwatch you got? What brand is it? I'm a collector of watch. Dude, if you're a collector, you should know what it is. If you're a collector, you should know what it is. Here. If you're a collector, Sammy, you should know what it is. I don't know if you can you see it, Sammy? I don't know if you can see it or not. Audemars Royal Oak chronograph. I'm a big watch fan myself. I'm a huge watch fan myself. It's an Audemars Royal Oak. It's rose gold with the white face. Chrono. Guys, there you have it, folks. Make it a trend. Skip the trial. I know. As I'm saying, we do have that trial, but I advise you guys skip the trial. Get the discount. Get the free laptop. You know. Or also, you guys have to think of it. Those of you that typed TTG, you got to think of TTG as an investment in yourself and like the Netflix of trading communities, because there's no upsells. You pay one price, get access to everything we have. And TTG is a platform. It's not just a chat with trade alerts. You're not paying $1,400 just to get someone else's trades. You're getting access to tools and resources that are going to help you to become a better trader. Adam, can you pull up the platform? I want to show everybody actually what's included with their membership. See, that's the problem with people. Price prediction for Ethereum. You're asking the wrong questions. All right, cool. Adam, thank you for pulling this up. Guys, listen, I want you all to understand right now. Okay. As a member, you guys get access to the top premium trading tools because we bundle them together as part of your membership. Okay. As a member, you get access to Benzinga Pro's real-time newsfeed. This is a live breaking up to the second news alert service directly inside of our chat room. Okay. Me, my mods, my members, we use this every single day. It is an absolutely priceless service. I can't tell you how much money that we have made and saved because of this new service. It's included with your membership. Okay. Benzinga charges $1,188 a year for this news feed. It's included free with your membership. And your membership is only $14.02 when you use coupon code TTG121 right now tonight. That's almost your entire membership in the cost of this in this newsfeed. Then you get Quote Streams Real-Time Level 1, Full Book Level 2, which shows you all market maker depth and real-time options data. Okay, Quote Stream charges $990 a year for that. It's free with your membership. Then you get ETNA's Trade Simulator. That's where you guys can trade stocks and options with fake money, with real-time data on our platform, so you can practice implementing what you learn in the courses. ETNA charges $750 a year for that simulator. It's included with your membership. Then you have our Trade Ideas Scanner, which is streamed to our members all day long, that shows you what stocks you should be focusing on, what stocks are in play, included for free with your membership. Then you get TradingView's Pro charting software, one of the most commonly used charting softwares by active traders. They charge $720 a year for this charting software. It's free with your membership. Guys, whether you join True Trading Group or not, you're going to need charts, level 2, a screener, a simulator to practice, and a news feed. Just these services alone would cost you $3,648 a year. It's all included for free with your membership. Okay, it's all included with your membership. Then you guys are getting at least a minimum 10 easy to follow, actionable real-time trade alerts per week from a community of traders that's currently sporting an 83% win rate. We are fully transparent in True Trading Group, guys. We keep an entire journal on our website that tracks every buy and every sell that all of our moderators make, so you can track all of our trading performance. Then you guys get access to our entire curriculum. Okay, there is no special VIP pro courses that cost more money. There's no upsells. You get access to all our courses, a 15-course curriculum. This is a simplified version of the information I learned working at the fund in New York. Okay, you get beginner and foundation courses, advanced courses, option courses, trader psychology courses, swing trading courses, how to trade during a market crash. You name it, we've got it, text and video format, whichever is easier for you to learn. Then you've got the video library. There's over 100 hours in additional educational video content in our video library. These are workshops that we do with members, like how to grow a small account, how to trade while working a full-time job, how to resist FOMO. All of this is included with your membership. Then you guys also get access to a small private study group where you get one-on-one individual attention with one of our moderators. This is your time to like ask questions, go over lessons and topics that you need help with. It's a game changer in your trading to be able to have one-on-one attention with an individualized attention from one of our pro moderators. Can be a game changer for you. Then you have access to the chat room where you see our screen, you listen to the mods on the microphone as we call out our trades in real time and in advance, tell you where we're buying, where we're selling, where's our stop loss. You can send us private messages during the day. Guys, all of this is included with your membership. There's no additional fee for any of this stuff. Our price is going to, guys, we're going to be over 2K soon. If you've ever considered joining the TTG fam, the time to do so is now. Use coupon code TTG121 before midnight tonight. Get a 36% discount, brings the price all the way down to $14.02. And that's going to come with a brand new free laptop. You have to enter the coupon code and click apply code in order to get the discount. Our goal is to disrupt this entire industry, folks. In order to do that, we got to provide insane value and results at a price substantially less than any of our so-called competitors. This is not a gimmick. We're going to be over $2,000 before you know it. We've got 7 laptops left, guys. 7 laptops left. So the next 7 people that use coupon code TTG121 before midnight will get a free laptop. All right. $14.02. That's it. Okay. 36% discount, TTG121. Quick question, my TTG fam. How many of you have already made back your membership fee, and in what time frame? Sound off in chat right now, guys, if you've already made back your membership fee, and if you have, in what time frame? Don Beal did it in 1 week. Jason Wackenbach did it in 3 weeks and then made it back again today. KL did it in 2 weeks. Earl, not quite, but is almost there. Josh Mongram says, I'll sign up right now if I can get the Asus laptop. Josh, you got it, bro. We've got 7 left. So, Josh, you sign up right now. You got one of those laptops, brother. Tech Denroy made his membership fee back in 3 weeks. Leonard Poon did it in his first day. Brad Doyle made it back 3 days after completing the courses. Jay Bird made it back in 3 months with a small account. Diane Fig is almost there and only started with a couple $100 in her account. All right, so there you have it, folks. You're seeing right now, guys, TTG members that are commenting, telling you how fast they made back their membership fee. There is no difference between them and you. And I'm literally sitting here. All these members have already made back their membership fee. And I'm telling you right now that I'll give you a money back guarantee if you don't. Just give me an effort. Try. Go through the courses. Pass the quizzes. Attend a private study group. Put in an effort. And if you still don't make back $1,402 at least once through your membership, I'll give you all your money back. I will give you a full refund. TD has already made $2,000 this week alone. Kathy Kaminsky took her 3 months to make back her membership fee, but she knew absolutely nothing when she first joined the group. Guys, take advantage. Use this coupon code TTG121. Lock in that price now before the price goes up. I'm telling you, it's going up at midnight. We're also 5-star rated on Trustpilot. I want you guys to read reviews from our page. Okay, over 1,100 people have taken the time to leave us a review on Trustpilot. I encourage you to go read some of our reviews. There's no better, referral than that of your peers. I encourage you to go read them. There is no difference between these people and you, guys. I'm telling you, they found True Trading Group the same way you did, and that's a live stream. And now here these people are telling you they're making money. They're becoming better traders. They've already made back their membership fee. There's no difference. Joshua, nice, man. Josh, welcome to the family, brother. Welcome to the family, Josh. My man. Josh, I look forward to trading with you tomorrow, brother. Send me a message in chat tomorrow to say what's up, all right? I look forward to trading with you, Josh. Welcome to the family. Guys, that means we got 6 laptops left. All right, that means we got 6 laptops left. All right? Guys, when's the last time you actually had someone that gave a shit about you reaching your goals? Seriously. Me and my TTG team are going to be there every step of the way to guide you through this process and help you every single way that we can. None of the people that you see on this live stream are paid to be here. They're here because they support us. We support them. They see our passion, and flat out, they're becoming better traders. Otherwise, they wouldn't be here. Why would someone that's already a member of True Trading Group be on this live stream? They're here because they never stop learning, and they're here because they support True Trading Group. They support us as we support them. And they see all of these people that are on this live stream that are like, maybe, I don't know. Maybe, I don't know. Why haven't they signed off already? I'm literally going through, I'm literally giving you a pitch on True Trading Group and what's included in your membership. They know what's included in the membership. They have one. But here they are because they know they were in your exact same position weeks or months or years ago on a live stream thinking whether or not they should join True Trading Group or not. And they've done it. They've made the decision. And now here they are telling you it's worth it. Listen to them. Don't even listen to me. You don't know me. Listen to them. They got the recap on the day. They got the lessons from the day. Why are they still on the live? Why are they still here? Ask yourself that. Ask yourself that. Why are all these members of True Trading Group still here? Guys, if you are a member of True Trading Group, type the letter I in chat right now. If you are a member, type the letter I in chat right now. Look at that. Look at that. If you're not a member of True Trading Group and you're seeing all of these letter I's come through chat and you are still not joining this family, I don't know what the hell you're doing. I really don't. If you want to be part of a community of traders that truly gives a shit whether you succeed or fail, a community of traders that's going to be there with you to help you, guide you, answer questions, and support you throughout your journey, because we've all been there. There's not one thing any one of you are dealing with that one of us have not already been through. We help each other. That's why I truly say, like, hey, welcome to the family. I don't say, oh, thanks for your membership, and I never talk to you ever again. When you join True Trading Group, that is the day that our membership begins. When you join other services, that's the day that your relationship ends. Because as soon as they have your money, they could give two shits about you. When you join True Trading Group, that's when our relationship just begins. Use coupon code TTG121. Get the 36% discount before the price goes up at midnight. Get yourself the brand new free laptop and get your butts in chat and trade with us tomorrow. Thanks for joining me tonight, guys. Again, TTG121 coupon code. Subscribe to the channel. Turn on notifications. Smash that like button if you guys haven't done so already. And then if you still aren't sure, you do have the trial, ttgthree.com to sign up for that 1 week trial. I'll see you guys all in chat tomorrow. Later, guys.